Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you use Clipchamp application for all your editing purpose. So firstly, what is Clipchamp? As you have known, Clipchamp is easily an all-in-one online video editor. So you can use Clipchamp to do all your basic editing, and it has all the basic features for online editing, and also it's available for free. And also if you wish to buy the paid version, then you'll get some extra features for it, but mostly the free version is good enough for all your basic editing needs. And also, most importantly, it's watermark free, so it's pretty cool and handy application that you can use. So let's get into the video. So Clipchamp. So how do you get to Clipchamp? So you can easily go to clipchamp.com. All right, or else you can also, they also have a desktop version of the application, so you can download the desktop version as well. So like here, so if you Google Clipchamp, you should it, sh- it should take you to their website. So just Google Clipchamp, and then here, all right, if you get to Google, so what do you have to do here? So you can get the desktop version as well, or you don't really have to. You can straight away, what you can do, just click on try for free. All right, so you can just click on try for free once you get to their website. And then mine, since I have all you need is just an email, so I mean, register using your email, or you can also use your Google account and straight away register for it, and that's pretty much it. You don't need anything else, anything fancy other than the email address. All right, so since I've already logged in, or I've already registered, so it straight away takes to my account here. All right, so I can either use my account here. See, I've logged in using my Google account. So whatever it is, so you just need your email address, then you can just simply create an account within a step. And then you can either use the browser version, or you can also download desktop version and use the desktop version. So whatever that suits you, you can just do that. All right, and then, so that's one thing. And then next, so what do you see when you open the application? You will see you have the option of using templates here. So there's a lot of templates here. So if you want to make a video, so you can just choose any of these templates here and then make it. So that's one option. Or else, if you want to create something from scratch, or you want to use your own video, then you can click on create new video. All right, so if you click on create new video, you should see this page here. So I mean, this window here. So this is like the basic like the dashboard for a video, for the video editing. So here, what you can do, you have the options here on your left. So on your left here, you'll have all of your basic options here. And then here, this is where you can like load your any of your media, whether it's a photo or video or whatever it is. You can just load it. So what you can do, so let me load one video so that we can just use it for demo. So for um, example this one here, I'll just use this video here. So all I have to do is just click that video and drop it into this window here. So that's it. So click and drop. So it's now uh, loading the video. So, and on your so on your left here, if you see your media, so this is where you can add any of your audio files or video files, everything, or images, everything. You can load it here. That's the window here. And then if you click on here, then you can like record any, see your screen and camera, or you can also create text to speech. I know all those that option here. And then if you go to template here on your left, you have a lot of templates here that you can use. Even like for, if you're creating a video for Instagram, then you have a specific template for Instagram, which you can easily just use it and then make your own video. And that's the one. And you have the music and SFX option here. So here, you can like create all your you can add all any of these songs, I mean audios, from whether your own one or from the library here. You can do that. And then they also have stock videos here, so which are some of them are free to use, some you need a little purchase. So these stock videos that you can use it. And also they have stock images here, so you can use any of these one for your videos. And also you have the text option here, and then graphics and transitions and all these informations here. So what I'm going to do, like, let's work on a video. So for example, where's that video? All right, this one, that's the one that I just uploaded. So what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to bring it to my work line here. So this is my editor here, so I'm going to click and drop it there so that I can edit this video. So All right, so I'm just click and drop it there. Okay, so now that you've already drop it, so what the basic things that we can do is, for example, basically like trimming the video. So which one of the basic editing thing, trimming the video. So if you click on this, if you click on your video here, and then you can just click it, and then you can trim your videos, whether you want to make it shorter and all those things, you can trim it. Or if you want to show, if you want to cut it, then you can. So if you want to cut it, then you can just place the cursor on wherever you want to cut it. All right, just place that there, and then click on the cut option here. So that's split option there. So that will cut your video, and then see if like something like this, it will cut your video. And then what you can do, you can add transitions to your videos. So those things like that. For example, if you go to your on your right side here, you have the captions option where you can add auto subtitles, like the this and that's one of a very beneficial feature of this Clipchamp, is that they can help you to add auto captions. So you can turn on auto captions for your video. You can do that. That's one thing. And then audio, what you can do, then you also have the option to deattach an audio. So if you want to extract an video, the audio from a video, so you can just use that option here. And then you can have the fade in fade out effect here for your videos. You can use that. And then you have the basic filters. So if you want to add filters to your video, then you can choose. There's a lot of filters here. Some are free, some are paid. So you can choose that and add filters to your video. And then you can do some basic like coloring, like like managing or editing the colors of your video. So you can do those things here. You can play around with that. And also you have the speed option here, so where you can like increase the speed of your video. If you want to go it like, if you want to like fast forward it, or increase the speed on a fast motion, so you can like uh yep, play around with this here. So that's this option here. So yep, so those are the things. And then what you can do, the one another basic useful feature is that you can add text. So if you select your video and then click on the text option on your left here, so here you can add like text. There's a lot of sample options here, like the way or styles of text that you can add. So you can choose any of these text to your video, and then you can just click on it, and then just click on the add button, then you can just add it. And then make changes. And then once you add it, then you can edit this text. You can, here you have a text editor. If you select the text, you have the text editor here. You can edit it, and then you can just place it wherever you want in the video, and just play around with it. And that's one of the very good features. And also another one, if you want to add transitions, for example, you have two videos here. All right, you have two videos and you want to add transitions. So if you click on the in between the two clips there, you'll have the option called add transitions. So you can add transitions between two videos. Like, these are some of the basic editing that we will be doing, for example, when we create a basic video. So this Clipchamp application, in summary, has all these basic editing needs, and they are all for free, so which is quite beneficial and useful for you guys. So just give it a go and see how did you go with it. And I hope you'll like this video and also this tutorial. And that's pretty much it is for today. So I will see you guys in another tutorial soon. So thank you.